Okay, quick review of writing equations for graphs. Honestly, this holds for any method that we're looking at. If we have a table of values or whatever, we're still looking at points on a graph. We have 2 points that we can identify where the line crosses exactly at the grid corners. One is already shown here. Got to get my pencil. One is already shown right here, and the other one is down here. Okay. And we always have 2 things that we're looking for: our slope and our y-intercept. The slope is our change in y divided by our change in x. Y direction is always the vertical direction. So I start at the bottom point and I draw a line up and I count the number of squares it takes me to get from that point in line with the other point. Well, that looks like a total move of +8. Because I'm going up, I put a +8. But then I'm going to the left, and I go to the left 3 in order to get on that point. So we're just going from one point up and over to the other point. That's a move of -3. So when I start writing my equation, 8 over -3 becomes -8/3 x. And then my b value is where the line crosses the y-axis. The y value there is +4. So I write down +4. And I'm done. That's all there is to this. So make sure you copy this down onto your worksheet. Next one, same idea. Different values. Again, I'm looking for 2 points, and it doesn't matter which 2 points you pick. It looks like it hits every grid corner, but I'm going to pick this second one right here. Okay, so I'm looking at my slope, change in y over change in x. I'm going from this point up 2, so there's a +2, and to the left 2. Up 2, left 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, but we have a -2, so that makes it a -1. That means that my slope is -1x. My b value, wherever it crosses the y-axis, that blue line crosses the y-axis at +2. So I add 2 to that. Okay, and again, this is a description. An equation for a line is a description of how I get from any one point, any given x value, I should say, to its corresponding y value. If I plug in 0 for x, 0 times -1 is 0, add 2, you get 2. Okay, one more example, and then the rest are yours to do. All right, so there's one point, there's another point. M is equal to, we have to go up 1 and to the right 2. +1 over +2. So that gives me 1/2. That's the first part of my equation. And then my b value is again where the line is crossing the y-axis. And in this case, in all of these, it's the red dot, just to get you more familiar with that. So that's a +4. And that's all there is to writing the equation of a line from a graph. The rest of these problems are yours to finish and turn in.